I'm going to show you how to install the health bar mod for Cuphead in just a few steps. This is very simple and I'm going to go straight to the point. So all you need to do is go to this URL. I'm going to leave the link in the description below and you will need to create an account. So in my case I have one already, and then once you are here you will need to click on manual download. So this is completely free. Click on slow download because this is the free option, and it will begin with the installation. So after a few seconds you will have the file. Just save it wherever you want. And now that we have this file, we need to go to Steam, then go to your library and search for Cuphead. So you can search by name right here, right click it, go to manage, and then you can browse local files. So this will open the Cuphead root folder, and once you are here you need to drag the file we just downloaded to the Cuphead root folder, and after that just right click it and you can extract the files using WinRAR or any similar tool. And after that you will see you have the BPNext folder and some extra files. So now I can just open Cuphead and the mod should work fine. So that's it. Now as you can see, I can see the health bar of any boss. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.